or the weight of the soul is being placed on things that are actually temporary. Anong mga bagay ba ang temporary pero nilalagyan natin ng full weight ng ating kaluluwa? What are those things that are temporary but we've put the full weight of our soul in? What are those things? Tingnan nyo, for example, money. And money cannot bear the weight of our soul. Money cannot. If money could, walang bilyonaryo na magsusuicide. Ito, romance. Romance cannot bear the full weight of our soul. Alam nyo ba, kapatid, na ang romance na yan is our mindset, our perspective on romance has really been highly trained by Western romanticism, by Hollywood. Ang paningin natin sa love or sa pag-ibig or sa pagmamahal ng kahit ng husband and wife o ng lalaki sa babae is highly propagandized by Western romanticism. Bakit ngayon kailangan magbigay ng engagement ring? I'm not saying it's wrong. If you want to do that, it's totally up to you. It's because they had diamonds. De Beers had a lot of diamonds and they wanted... There's a documentary in Netflix that talks about that. De Beers has a lot of diamonds. They have a monopoly of the diamonds, is a company. And for them to be able to sell that, instead of just selling diamonds, they sold an event. They jacked up the price. And they put this tagline, "Diamond is a woman's best friend." So from that point on, every woman has desired diamonds because it's rare, it's beautiful, and it's a woman's best friend. So it is actually a fake commodity market. Sure, it looks good, but it's not as rare as you think. They are controlling the supply so that when you can control the supply, you can also control the price. But lab-grown diamonds are just as good, if not better. That's the truth. That's the reality. But they're controlling the narrative. They're controlling that and making us feel like kung hindi mo nabigyan ng tamang diamond, deserve ko to, itong malaking bato na to. Hindi pwede yung maliit. Dapat malaki kasi kung mahal mo ako, dapat malaking bato. But that is an unnecessary thing na nilalagay natin, nilalagak natin sa puso natin. Those are unnecessary things, weights of the soul. Also, your thinking, your achievement can bear the weight of your soul. No, it can't. If achievement could bear the weight of your soul, walang madidepress na doktor, walang madidepress na abogado, walang madidepress na politiko. That's not. It cannot bear the weight. Sometimes, I said it last Sunday, sometimes even our hardships and accomplishments can become idols themselves. How do you know it's an idol? Because even God cannot shift you or get your weight out of that hardship. Bakit? Kasi sanay na sanay ka na, pinaghirapan mo yan, nilagay mo buong buhay mo dyan, buong puso mo nandyan. So iniisip mo ngayon, Lord, am I even gonna get to a point where I can give this up? And even God is saying, don't do that anymore, son. That's not for you. Don't take that path. Pero ikaw, nandyan ka na. Inilagay mo na lahat dyan. So, that in itself could also be idolatry. Reputation. Your reputation can it bear the full weight of your soul? Maraming tao, ang full weight ng buhay nila nasa pera, nasa romance or sa relationships, achievements ng buhay nila, reputation nila. And let me push it further, Pastor, napakasakit mong magsalita. Parang wala na kami magagawa. Okay, let me say this though. Even ministry. Amen. Even ministry, if turned into self-meaning, cannot. Alam niyo ba, kapatid, kahit sa church natin, I tell our staff, I tell our pastoral team, ministry should never take the place of intimacy.